changes.
Hey guys, I am Shubham. Welcome back to Tech and App Therapy. I hope you are enjoying your quarantine. Today I am going to review some list of apps which will be beneficial for you in your day-to-day activities. And at the end of the video, I am going to show you one of the exciting feature of Google Keyboard. So please stay tuned till the end. All the links of the apps are given in the description below, so don't forget to check it. So without any ado, let's start the review. The first app of the list is Atmosphere. In this lockdown, being a daily commuter, what I am missing the most is sound of trains and traffics. So I found out this unique app which let you experience this sound. Well, jokes apart. This app also contains relaxing music which help us improving our breathing, concentration, sleep and focus on the work. Not just this, you can even experience the sound of shower or water droplets rolling over the window. Beach sound, instrumental sound, forest sound, various elements of urban and many more. You can see there are many sounds available here. So you can create your own music by selecting 8 different music at a time from different elements which are available in more than 100 forms. And also this app includes a section for binaural and isochronic tones, which is helpful for healing out our mind and soul. There is also an option to save your sounds as your favorites. The best part of this app is it works without internet connection also. Next comes SMS Organizer by Microsoft. I will say this is the best SMS Organizer app which I have been using for a long time. This is not just the app, but also a reminder, task keeper, offer app, that is coupon app. You can find various coupons over here. Now let's jump into this app. The first category is messages. In messages there are 3 categories, that is personal, transaction and promotion. In personal, you will find here the personal SMS which is sent by your friend or any of the person. Next comes the transaction section where you will find all OTPs or bank detail messages or any other bill payment message regarding it. Next section is promotion where you will find all the telecom companies SMS and other SMS. Here is the reminder section. You can just click here and set up the reminder by attaching an SMS to it. You can also set the date and time over here. You can find out the past reminders and past orders which you have ordered. Next comes the finance section where you can check out your bank account details just by clicking over here, show balance and verifying your finger. Next comes the offer section, that is coupon section, where you will find various such coupons where you can use any of this. Then coming to settings, you can find here restore and backup and restore, where you can back up all this SMS and also restore the previous one from your Google Drive. Next comes the message rule, where you can apply the rule for deleting the message, OTP or any other rule you can apply over here. Next comes the theme section where you can apply a theme, but I have selected the black midnight theme. Next comes the grouping message where you can take the advantage of group messaging of SMS. Coming up to the list, the next app over here is INSTAKE download, that is basically this app is for Instagram videos and photos download, as the name suggests, in an easy way. So just check it out. The interface of this app is very easy to operate. So let's download one of the video. If you want to download this video, just you have to click on these 3 dots and click on share to. Yes, and just click on INSTAKE download. This video is downloaded successfully. But if the account is private and you have to download the video, one step increases that you have to log in and then just you have to click on that 3 dots and same process continues. That's all. You can also remove the ad by paying some amount. The next app in the list is SNAPMOD. This is just like a gift cover to any screenshot, or a photo editor can also use it in another way too. In simple words, you can professionally frame your screenshot or any other picture over 100+ frames of different brands or mobiles. So interesting, right? Let's check it out with Redmi K20 Pro. First we will take a screenshot, then you have to download this and you will find here different variants available over here of Redmi K20. So you just have to click over here, then select a screenshot and save this. Now open WhatsApp and just you have to share this. PICSHOT is the trending app for photo editors nowadays. The best feature of this app is the spiral effect. So let's check it out with one of the photo. Here you can see various spirals over here. So you can just adjust the spirals as of you want, and you can also give the color effect to this various color effect to the spiral. You can see various spirals over here, then wings, shapes and many more. Then comes the background changer over here, where you can easily change any of the background in just one click. Yes, in just one click. Isn't that interesting? Then comes the motion effect, where you can adjust the motions and give a fantastic look to your image. Then comes the blur effect, where you can blur any of the background in just one click, and you can also adjust your blurry background. You can explore other features too. The best part of this app is that you can download and save it to your gallery without any watermark. Here comes to volume slider app, which are volume style and ultra volume. In both the app you can customize and default volume bar into different sliders without root. So let's check it out both and difference too. The right one here is the volume style and the left one is the ultra volume app. So let's check it out the differences of both of them. There are various styles or skin available in volume style, but there are limited in ultra volume. Then comes color shade. In volume style you require upgrade to premium for changing the color shades, whereas in ultra volume you can use gradient color, light colors, dark colors, and you can also customize the colors as of you want, and you can apply to the shades. Remaining other options are same, that is you can add the brightness toggle in both of them and also add other options too. You can also adjust the slider in the left or right section and add the effects to it. Same is in ultra volume app. You can keep to the left or right, vertical position or any of the position you want, and also add the brightness toggle to the slider. Then comes the blacklist feature, where you can choose the apps in which you don't want that slider, and there is same in the volume style also. But I think the premium version of volume style app is great and cheaper than ultra volume with more features included in it. You can see here I will just swipe over the status bar and decrease or increase my brightness, and in one click on the status bar I can take a screenshot, or after pressing a long I can open the power of dialog box, and here it is showing the green bar, but this is not just a green bar, this is the battery indicator. If you also want these features into your mobile, you should install Super Status Bar. So let's check this Super Status Bar. In gesture, you can see here there is a drag option for the main slider, which I have kept for my brightness. Then for the single tap I have kept the screenshot. Double tap it is for voice control. Then the long press I have kept for the power of dialog box, and just you can keep as of you want in the premium version. Then comes the indicator. In indicator you can choose slider indicator and the toggle one. You can also give the color, but in the premium version. Then comes the main slider. I have kept the brightness over the main slider, which I can easily use the brightness over any of the app I want at any time, which is easily without opening any of the notification panel. Then comes the ticker text. In ticker text you can see the notification from the status bar in a different look. Let's check out some of the examples through it. Here is the some of the examples, you can check it out, that is rotate up, rotate down, notification app name, and for the many others you have to purchase the premium version of this app. You can also change the color of this notification ticker text. Then comes the status bar. In status bar you can customize the status bar you want, or you can modify and add all of this into your status bar. Then comes the battery bar. In battery bar, I have kept the green bar over here. You can change the color of this easily, and you can also increase the height or the location of that bar, the alignment. It gives the animation effect while charging. Then you can also change the color, and there are many other features in the premium versions. Just check it out. Universal copy. With this app, you can easily copy any of the text from any app which you previously cannot copy. You just have to click on activate, then you have to give the permission to this app. Now in notification panel, you have to just click on this and you can select whichever text you have to copy by just pressing on this, and yeah, you can copy any of the text over this frame. See, this way it works. You can also copy text from images, but only in the universal copy plus. If you want to copy someone's caption, so you have to go over here, then you can see here down the caption. Just click on this and then select this way easily. So this way you can easily copy any of the text with this app. So as you have came over here, you can easily follow me on Instagram. Here is the Google keyboard, and I am got bored of using these emojis every time. So the interesting feature of the Google keyboard is that you can use the mini. Yes, I will tell you about these minis, but you can use these minis and make your emoji very much interesting by adding your face to that emoji in an animated way, just like there is memoji stickers for Apple. Thus, in the same way, here is minis by the Google keyboard. So let's try to get these minis. You have to click over here. At first you need to update your Google keyboard. Then here you can see there is minis. So you have to click on this add. After clicking on that, you have to click a selfie and it will generate stickers like this. It is awesome. There are 3 packs which they have generated. You can use any of them and make your chat interesting one. You can also customize this by adding a hairstyle to it, then color of your hair, then your mustache or beard. You can also add the goggles if you want. This makes your chat much more interesting than the normal emoji. So this is one of the exciting feature of the Google keyboard which I want to share with you. I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So now I'm signing off and I will see you in the next one.